Want to reuse Joomla articles anywhere across your site without copying and pasting? Say hello to Articles Tag in OCH Foundation 5. Hi, I'm Ruud from Online Community Hub, where we create premium Joomla extensions trusted by over 2000 Joomla users. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Articles Tag to pull entire articles or even a random article from a specific category right into your Joomla content. It works just like snippets, but instead of using predefined text, you're reusing actual Joomla articles, perfect for creating dynamic call to actions, promotional blocks, or highlighting key content throughout your site. Update the article once, and every reference updates automatically, keeping your site consistent and your message sharp. Let's explore how Articles Tag in OCH Foundation 5 can help you build smarter, more engaging Joomla websites with less effort. So in this video, I want to show you the Articles Tag. I call it myself Articles Anywhere, because that's exactly what it does. It allows you to insert articles anywhere on your website. Let's have a look. So this is my development website. I've created some articles already. I created a call to action article, a single article, and I created 4 call to action articles in a category call to action. Okay, so let's go to the love article again. I want to inject the call to action article into this love article. Now, first I need to check something. Articles are injected with their article alias. So the alias for the call to action is call-to-action. Okay, let's insert it here. OCH elements. I want to insert the article. Okay, and the complete tag is displayed. Here we have the article alias call to action. We remove this category alias because we're going to showcase that later on. You can set a class, and here you have the text parameter where you can set what you want to show from the article. Do you want to show the complete text, so that's the intro text and the full text? Do you want to only show the intro text with a read more button? Do you want to show the full text, or do you want to not show any text? Let's show the text. If there should be a read more button, let's call it read more. The read more class you can set if you want to have specific styling on that button, and you can even have the read more button linked to a different website or a different URL. Let's remove that. Okay. The hide error is when the article is not present, or you made a typo in the alias, or the article is unpublished. Then you will see a red arrow box stating try to inject the article, but I cannot find it. You can hide this error. It's mainly there for debugging purposes. And of course, as with all other tags, you can set a start and end date and define on which device it should be displayed. Let's remove that. Okay. Save. Home. Let's see what happened. Articles love. Okay. So basically this is the injected article with the read more. Let me make that a little bit more clear. I'll give this a border of 5 with a blue color, and let's add some padding. Okay, so and now you see this is what it's injected. It's the complete article, so it's the intro text and the full text. If I change the text to intro text, then you will see that we only have the intro text. So basically this is injecting the article content, and the power here is that you can change the article, and then also everywhere where this article is referenced, the change is taking place automatically. So this is a nice feature where you have one article and then you change the article with a new promotion or a new call to action. But we can take this a step further, because as you saw, we also have a category called call to action, and the category alias is call to action. So what I can do now is I go to the love one, category alias call to action. Let's remove these classes, as I already made classes in the articles itself. Let's save it and see what happens. Okay, here you see the call to action from an article taken from the category. When I refresh the page, you can see it takes another one and another one. So it's randomly selecting an article from the category call to action. Now this is not all, because what you can also do is let's say this article is a special call to action or a special promotion. You can set a start publishing and a finish publishing date, and that will be respected by the article tag. So when it will only start displaying when the article is published, and it will only start displaying when the published start date or end date are correct. So this is a very cool feature, giving you a powerful tool for making call to actions in your blogs or articles or anywhere on your website. Okay, now I hear you thinking, yeah, great, but if I want to have it in another article as well, this call to action, then I have to insert it here again. Okay, but that's where injectors come in, because with injectors you can automatically inject anything, so also the article stack, into content based on several filter criteria, but that I will show in a separate video. Okay, so thanks for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed it.